Hello everyone. So I recently tried this tagliatelle and goat meat recipe and it turned out absolutely delicious. The tender meat and the roasted pepper mix I used gave the perfect combination of flavors. So let's cook. First we're gonna roast some bell peppers, tomatoes, scotch bonnets, onions and garlic. Drizzle some olive oil over them and grill for about 40 minutes. After that, blend the roasted vegetables and set the mixture aside. Next, take the goat meat and cut into smaller dices. Now we're gonna cook the goat meat and season with some onions, garlic, and spices, which I'll link in the description below. Let it cook for about 10 minutes without adding any water, because the goat meat is going to release its own juice into the flavor. It's 10 minutes later and I'm going to add some water to it and let it cook for another 20 minutes until the meat is tender. Now heat some oil in a pot and stir fry the goat meat to release its flavor into the oil. Once it's done, just set the meat aside. Now we're going to add more oil in the pot and add some onions and stir fry for about 4 minutes. Now add the blended tomato and pepper mix and let it cook for some time while we make the pasta. Now I'm just going to use the same pot I used in cooking the meat to retain all the flavors from the goat meat. I'll let the pasta cook while I continue making my tomato sauce. It's been 4 minutes and I'm just gonna spice the tomato mix and cook for another 8 minutes or until the sour taste of the tomato is gone. You would notice the color of the sauce changes a bit from this to this, and this is when you know it's kind of ready. And I'm just gonna add some pasta water to the sauce and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now the pasta is ready and I'm just going to combine it with the tomato sauce. Once it's well combined, I'm just going to add the goat meat to it and mix it again. This is just going to cook for 3 more minutes and it's ready. I garnished with some chopped spring onions, but you can use the good old parsley. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next week for another banging recipe. Bye!